Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm here in my studio in New York City with Marisa. And we were supposed to do some simple headshots today. And yeah, so anyways, we decided to do something. Marisa showed up with this really cool hat from a designer that you worked with before.
ChuchuNY.
We'll put a link. Really cool hats, and I was like, well, let's take advantage and do something really fun with the hat since you brought it. So yeah, we're doing kind of a fun shot. It's a 2-light shot. I didn't have a lot of time to set up background or whatever. We just had the plain wall, so I'm letting it go gray behind her. And I'm just lighting her with a small light source to keep the light kind of controlled. And I'm adding a secondary light over here. This has got a grid on it and a blue gel just to give us some separation. This is going to come from the back and rim the hat. I added a blue gel because Marisa has blue eyes. I know, right. And again, this is the 1x1.3 softbox from Profoto. So let's see what we got here. I'm tethered into Capture One as always. I've got my 85mm lens on. I'm going to first take a shot with no lights, as per usual. It's kind of bright in here right now, so we might see a little bit of her, but basically, no, that's pretty good. So, I always say get rid of all the light in the space, but if they're not moving, it's not the end of the world. Maybe I will go a little darker. This is actually f8. I might go f11 on this one, actually, just to be safe. Because with Marisa, she's always moving around. I can't count her to stay still. There we go. All right, so she's gone. All right, so we're f11. I'm going to turn my lights on now. I have 2 lights. One is over here in the softbox. That's my A group. So I'm going to just start with that one. Yeah. And the other one should be in my B group. Let me just test that. Yep, all right, perfect. So I'm gonna turn off B. And let's just do A. So we're gonna work towards the light. So we just do the one light. This is our establishing light, right? It's setting the mood. We've got this kind of shadowy look on her face, which is kind of moody. We're not showing, too much of anything else but the hat, right? In fact, we're not seeing the hat at all. What's going to bring the hat out is our secondary light. I think it might be a smidge dark too, so I'm going to actually bring the light up a tiny bit. I said I was in TTL, but it actually wasn't. I was in manual, so I'm going to go up half a stop. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, that's a good exposure. I want to keep it a little bit on the dark side. Now I'm going to bring the B light in. Actually, I'll turn off A as always. Bring the B light in, which is our separation light. Again, this one's lighting the hat and also like her shoulders. We're going to see what that looks like. Okay, good. All right, it's definitely giving shape to it. I'm going to give it a little bit more juice. Again, like the other light, I think I'm going to give this one 3/4 of a stop, roughly. Oh, okay, cool. That might be a bit much, but I'm going to add the other light just to be sure. And let's see what we get. Good. Nice. So I'm going to take a quick look at it. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Just note if you are shooting something that's fashion for like a designer, since I wasn't hired to do this, I'm doing what I want, ask before you add color to things, but I don't think she'll mind. Yeah, and we'll say, it doesn't have any blue in it, I'm doing that. All right, so that looks pretty cool. I actually like it. We're kind of fighting this edge here of like a little bit of catch light versus no catch light, and Marisa will kind of just move slightly her head up and down to get some different poses, and we'll shoot some. So that looks pretty good. Here we go. Good. Good, work the shoulders more that way. Good. The further she works that way, the darker her face is going to be. The more she works towards the light, the lighter. Actually work your shoulders too. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, good. Yeah, that's better actually with the more turn. There we go. The more she turns, the more we're going to see the hat. So we want to definitely focus on the hat. Good. Hold like that. Let me just check my light again. That looks really good. Let's do a couple more. I like you to be a little more open. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. That's it, right there. Jump it. Good. I think that's good. Checking final check. That's actually really nice. We have we have enough light on her eyes. The thing separates. The dress looks good. Marisa looks okay. And I think that gives us what we want. So kind of fun, kind of dramatic, not a classic catalog shot of the hat, more like an editorial shot. So, we're playing around here. It looks pretty good. I like it. She likes it. We're all happy. Back to this camera. This is my farewell camera. So if you don't already, follow Marisa. I will put her information in the description. Follow me, Daniel Norton Photographer. Be sure to subscribe to Adorama TV, of course. And I'll see you next time on set.